guys, I'm currently at Myeongdong Street Food Market and we are so lucky today. There's also a beer festival. It's already drinking. So let's go and explore the market and try out different food and maybe some shopping. There's so many people and so many stalls to choose from. It's quite overwhelming. Maybe we'll start with a lobster. 감사합니다. Woo! Poor baby crab. Crunchy. 감사합니다.
Street food for Tiffany. Said she was full. Looks very hot.
So good.
Black bean noodles.
I bought a lot of stuff as well. I'm gonna do a Korean haul, definitely. It's very convenient as well that we live 14 minutes away. Oh my god, Dan just keeps saying 안녕하세요 to everyone.
Got a new follower. It's like, oh, is that YouTube?
Yes, follow me. Like and subscribe. Whoa. I ever lose Dan in this crowd, I think we know where to find him. At the beer stand.
감사합니다. How do you say it? Gondai?
What's Gondai?
Dongai. Cheers.
Gonbei!
Gombe. It's a festival, you're supposed to try all the different beers.
Yeah, but you've tried this twice now.
This is the best one so far.
Let's go find the chicken feet. Come on, that will go well with the chicken feet. Pulutan! I found it. Annyeong! Hana! Jusil.
Yeah.
Say hi to my vlog.
Where from?
Philippines. Yes.
Tiffany's the first person to buy this all night. The guy's very happy. It's the first customer of the day.
No, I'm not.
Hi, bro.
No. What you got there?
Oh, cheese, grilled cheese.
Yummy?
It's like a lumi, similar. Welcome back on the channel. This is Tiffany. We are 1 hour into this customizing situation. This is a very intensive episode. We need to spend a lot of time on this. There's going to be an individual vlog just for this customization video. Tiffany.
Yes.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Getting a customized keychain. Keyring.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
So cute.
You can add all of this stuff here.
Yes.
Wow, look at all the options.
Last stop.
Inside. Ice cream.
It's currently 9 p.m. and we started coming here at 4:30. It was way too fun. Dad even said he wanted to come back. It's because there's still a lot of things that he wants to try and it's impossible to try it all in one night. So we'll definitely come back. But this will be the end of our Myeongdong Street Food Market vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're coming here in Seoul, definitely come to Myeongdong. And the street food. They're open every day from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. See you guys on the next vlog. Bye.